So here we're given a triangle, a special triangle in which one of the angle is 90 degrees. So right off the bat, we know that we can apply the Pythagorean theorem to this. So the question is, what is the missing side? So you have your two legs, A and B. We know the length of A, but we don't know B. But we do know the length of the hypotenuse. Okay? Remember, it's the slant that is opposite of the 90-degree angle. That's what the hypotenuse is. Okay? So let's find B. So in order to do this, let's rearrange the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem to solve for B. Okay, so our goal is to isolate B. Get B by itself. Okay, so lay down your Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Let's get rid of the A squared. What's the opposite of plus A squared? So minus A squared to both sides. So the A squared cancels. We have B squared is equal to C squared minus A squared. Okay. So keep in mind that our goal is to get B by itself. So let's get rid of the little 2 up top here. What is the opposite of squared? That's right, square root. Both sides. This will cancel out the little 2. We have B is equal to the square root of C squared minus A squared. Okay. So the question asks, what is B? So that means they must have given us C and A. Let's plug in the values for C and A. So here we have C is equal to 10. So we have the square root of 10 squared minus the value for A is 6. So let's plug 6 in for A, and then we'll square it. So here, 10 squared is 10 times 10, minus 6 squared is 6 times 6. Okay, what do you get after subtraction? We'll have the square root of 64. Okay, so B is equal to the square root of 64, which you want to ask yourself, what number times itself will give you 64? 8 times 8, right? So there it is. The length of B is equal to 8 units.